Hi guys, welcome to Boardmas online classes. My name is Kadar Ramesh. So today's our topic is ranking test. So ranking test is ranking sequence test. So this topic is very important in the banking sector. So while we are doing this ranking test, other questions are given. So five types. So how the question is given, first of all, let us understand from left to right, right to left, and what is given. So total strength, sometimes total strength asks. So nothing but from left to 10th rank, from right is 15th rank. So how many members are there? Such questions will be asked in the ranking test. So first type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, like that we explain. So with that you have to understand very better and very clear. Now let us now start the first question. The first question is, in a class there are 30 boys. In that Vijay rank is 10th from the top. What is his rank from the last? So first of all, in the question is given, in a total strength is 30. So in that Vijay rank is 10th from the top. 10th from the top. Then what is his rank from the last? So from the top means like that. This is 10th. From what is rank from the last? So while we are doing this type 1 models, so from last is equal to, whenever you are doing from last, his rank, so is equal to simple 30 minus 10 plus is equal to 20 plus 1 is equal to, answer is 21. Why I added here 1? So that is simple technique I will explain you here. So there are total strength is 30. In that Vijay rank is what? 10th from the top. From the top is 10th. So what is his rank from the last asked? Simple, what you have to do? 30 minus 10 is equal to, you will get the 20 plus 1 is equal to 21 is the right answer. But how it comes, I will explain you to get the confidence. First of all, when he said the 10th rank from his, nothing but how many students will be there here? Right side 20 students is, left side is 10 students. Means that total 30 students are there. Means what is the meaning of that? From 10th rank is the Vijay is the 10th rank from the top. Okay. Next, after Vijay, how many students are there here? 20 students are there. Now what is asked? How many students are there? Not asked question. What is Vijay rank from the last asked? So what is Vijay rank from the last asked? Means nothing but there are 20 students are there. His rank is required. So therefore 20 plus 1, 21 is answer. So yes, some people is there. Then we can do like this. But more 100, 15, 20, 150. So 200 may be there. Simple technique is two values when we are subtracting from one to another. So two values we are subtracting one to another. Then please add 1. Why we should add 1? That is the main point here. Because when you are subtracting from 30, this till we are subtracting, we get the 20. So this is nothing but Vijay rank we are subtracting here. Vijay rank we are subtracting. We need the Vijay rank. That is why we are adding 1. That is why 21st is the right answer. Answer is the 21st is the right answer. With the reasoning of this, again and again you can learn. Very clear. This is the first question. Question number 2. So question number 2, if you observe, in a row of 60 children, Ajay is 25th from the left. Then what is his rank from the last? Same question. So total strength is how much here? Total is equal to 60. Ajay rank is given. Ajay rank is how much here? Ajay rank is 26th from the left. From the left means this is from the left. So from that this is from the right. So while you are watching to the board, so your finger your face is the board. So you are left only left. From left this is, from right is this is. That is why Ajay rank is so 26th from the left. Then what is his rank from the last? Same question. Therefore 60 minus 26. So is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. 5 minus 4 is 2 is equal to 3. 34. Therefore 34 plus 1 is equal to 35th is the answer. So what is the Ajay rank from the last asked? Ajay rank from the last is asked then whenever we weigh two values we are subtracting from one value, we should add one. Why we are adding one? Because I already told you that Ajay rank when we are subtracting Ajay rank from the 60, Ajay rank also we are leaving from that. That is why we have to add the Ajay rank. That is why 60 minus 26 is equal to 34. You will get 34 members will be there right side. We need the Ajay rank. That is why Ajay rank we have to add. That whenever we added one, then we will get the 35. So what is his rank from last when we asked? We should say the answer is 35 is the clear answer. So this is also clear. Now come to the question number 3. So question number 3, if you observe, Swati ranked 9th from the top and 38 from the bottom in a class. How many students are there in the class? Okay. So Swati ranked 9th from the top. Okay. This is Swati rank 9th from the top. So from the top is nothing but you can say like this also. Okay. From the top is 9th rank. Who is this? Swati rank. And so 38 from the bottom. 38 from the bottom is nothing but from 38 from the bottom. So same 38 from the bottom. So this 38 and 9th both are Swati's ranks. So from the top this is from the bottom. From the bottom is down to up to down. So total strength is equal to 9 plus 38. 8, 9, 17, 7 carry 1. So 47. So 47, whenever we added 1 we have to subtract. Therefore 47 minus 1 is equal to, answer is 46. How did we get the 46 here? Why did we get the 46? Nothing but whenever we are calculating the Swati rank, from 9th is the Swati rank, from down 38 also Swati rank. So means nothing but we are calculated 2 times the Swati rank. We calculated 2 times, means from up as well as from down. 2 times we have calculated the Swati rank. That is why we have to subtract 1. With the subtraction of the 1 times Swati will be left, because Swati only one Swati is there, 2 Swatis are not there. That is why we have to subtract the 1. The answer is 46 is the right answer. For this technique is when two values we are adding, then we have to subtract the 1. When two values one to another we are subtracting, please add 1. That only the logic from beginning to ending in this value, in this technique, on this technique only the topic will be continue. When we added, please subtract 1. When we subtracted, please add 1. Means nothing but here I have added this, that is why I have subtracted 1 in the question number 3. Now let us now go fourth question. Question number 4. So come to question number 4 is Ajay rank is 16th from the top and 29th from the bottom. Ajay rank. Okay, same question. Ajay rank is so 16th from the top. 16th from the top means top is like this I have taken. 16th and 29th from the bottom. Plus 29th from the bottom means nothing but R. 29th from the bottom. Ajay, so this 29th rank and 16th rank both are Ajay ranks. 29th from the bottom. Among those who passed in the examination, 6 students did not participate in the examination, participate in the competition, and 5 students are failed. In how many students are there in the class? Okay. So in the class, failed students also students, and did not participate the students also students. Nothing but first of all, those who passed in that, Ajay rank is 16th from the top and 29th from the bottom. So how many passed students are there? So first of all, take the passed students. So passed students is equal to 16 plus 29. Here is equal to 45. So 45 means nothing but passed students is equal to 16 rank to 29th. 29 plus 16, 35 plus 10, 45. So this 45 is nothing but not the 45 total strength, because here Ajay rank we have taken from up or down. That is why we have subtract 1. Therefore, 45 minus 1 is equal to 44. What is this? Past strength. And also he has said 6 boys did not participate. So 44 plus 6 boys plus 5 boys. So and 5 boys failed. 5 failed is equal to 44 plus 6, 50 plus 5, 55. So total strength is equal to how much here? 55 is the right answer. Why? Because here past students is 16 plus 29 is the 45. When the 45 is we taken the Ajay 2 times, we have subtract 1. That is why I have subtracted 1. This came the 44. For 44, so 60 students did not participate in the exam. 44 plus 6 is 50. And 5 students failed the examination. Plus 5. That is why 55 is the right answer. Now come to the question number 5. Question number 5. Okay. In a class of 60 students, where girls are twice that of boys. So, twice that of boys. Kamal ranked 17th from the top. If there are 9 girls were ahead of Kamal, how many boys are there after him rank? Okay. So, beautiful question. In a class, 60 students are there, where girls are twice that of boys. Means nothing but total strength is 60. Girls are twice that of the boys. Let girls is equal to x. Girls is equal to x. Boys is equal to what? 2x. Boys is equal to what here? 2x. Then x plus 2x is equal to how much? 3x is equal to 60. Then x is equal to how much? 20. What is 20? This is girls are 20. First conclusion is, so boys are 20. Boys are 20. Girls are 40. Because total is 60. Now it is clear. It is what? Boys are 20. Girls are 40. Total is 60. Okay, first point is clear. So in that class, there are total strength 60. Girls are 2 times to the boys. Nothing but 2 parts plus 1 part, 3 parts. 3 parts is like that also. You can take simple shortcut is 3 parts is equal to 60. 1 part is equal to 1 by 3 into 60 is equal to also you can take 20. 20 is the boys and 40 are the girls. Okay, one part is clear. Now come to the question part. So where twice that girls. Kamal ranked is 17th from the top. So Kamal, if you take the Kamal rank is 17th from the top. Okay. So Kamal rank is 17th from the top. If there are 9 girls ahead of Kamal, so here 9 girls are there. Okay. So 9 girls means there. So from the 17, if you subtracted 9, okay, if you subtracted 9, then what will be there? Then 8 will be there. 8 boys will be there. Okay, na? So 8 boys will be there. Simple technique. So out of here, 17th rank is who's? Kamal. So when the 17th rank is the Kamal, before Kamal, there are 9 girls are there. 9 girls are there is nothing but how many boys are there? 8 plus 9, 17. Nothing but after him, including Kamal, there are 8 boys. Including Kamal, there are 8 boys. After him, how many boys are there? Ask me the question. After him, how many boys are there? Means nothing but total boys are how much here? Total boys are 20. If there are the total boys are 20, left side how many boys are there? 8 boys are there. After right side, so boys is equal to 20 minus 8 is equal to 12 is the answer. So how many boys are there after Kamal? After Kamal, there are only 12 boys. Very, very simple. First, without pen also we can solve this question. So there are 3 parts. This is one part is the boys, 2 parts are the girls. 3 parts is equal to 60, 1 part is equal to 20, 2 part is equal to 40. Okay, clear. In the parts, common rank is whenever he said 17, before him there are 9 girls. Whenever before him 9 girls is nothing but 9 plus 8, 17 means including Kamal, there are the 8 boys to this side. But now he has asked now, after Kamal, how many boys are there? Kamal is also boy. To consider the boy. That is why there are 20 boys. From the 20 boys, if you subtracted 8 boys left side, those who are, then if he automatically, including Kamal as we are subtracting here, that is why right side is the 12 boys are there. That is our answer. Okay, now question number 6. Question number 6 is Manoj and Sachin are ranked 7th and 11th respectively from the top in a class of 31 students. First of all, Manoj. This is Manoj and Sachin. This is Sachin. So, Manoj and Sachin are ranked 7th and 11th. He is 7th and he is 11th. So, out of 31, total strength is how much here? Total is equal to 31. Okay. So, what will be their respective ranks from the bottom in the class? Okay. This is from the top you have to expect. From the bottom is what we have to do? Just we have to subtract the values and add 1. Therefore, so Manoj rank is equal to 31 minus 7 is equal to 4. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. This is 24. Plus 1 is equal to 25th rank. Manoj rank is what here? 25th. As well as, so 31 minus 11 is equal to 0, 2. So 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. So answer is, so 25, 21 is the from last side answer. So how do we say it like this? Manoj rank is 7th from the top and Sachin rank is 11th from the top. What are the ranks from the last? From the last means what you have to do? From the total strength we have to subtract the what is the ranks. So I subtracted 31 minus 7, 24 it got. So when we subtracted, we have to add 1. I already told you that whenever we subtract, compulsory add 1. 37 minus 7 is equal to 24 plus 1, 25. In the same way, this is the Manoj rank from the last. In the same way, 31 minus 11 is equal to 20 plus 1, 21 is the rank. What from the last? So from the last 21 rank, from the last 25. So our answer is 25 and 21 are the right answer. Now come to the question number 7. If you come to question number 7, observe it. Bharati is 8 ranks ahead of Divya. So who ranks 26th in a class of 42? Okay, who means what here? And, that, but, which always expresses the previous person. Who refers the immediate person? That you have to remember. So 42. What is Bharati rank from the last? So what is Bharati rank from the last? Simple question here. Bharati rank is, so Bharati is 8th rank ahead of Divya, who ranks 26th in the class of 42. Okay. Here Bharati, this is Divya. So first of all, whenever you know, so total strength is how much? Total is equal to 42. First of all, you have to know this. So when the total rank is 42, what is Divya rank? 26th. So Divya who ranks 26th in a class? Okay, 26th rank. So when the Divya rank is 26th, so Bharati is 8 ranks ahead to Divya. Means nothing but Bharati, this is here. Bharati is here. First of all, we have to know that this 26th rank, from where? From the last. From the last is the 26th. If the question asked, so if you have to subtract the, so first of all, you have to do 42 strength, 42 minus 26. Then 12 minus 6 is the 6. Then 3 minus 2 equal 1. 16th rank. So from this rank is 16th from the that side. So then 16th whenever you take in, so total this will be 8 ranks ahead. 8 ranks nothing but what? 26 minus 8 we have to do. So 26 minus 8 is equal to how much? 16 minus 8 is 8, 18th rank. Okay, 18th rank. So therefore, what we have to do? So 18th rank means nothing but total of strength how much is 42. So 42 minus 18 is equal to 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Then 3 minus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 25th is the right answer. Our answer is 25. How it comes 25? Once again I will explain you. First of all, here is given total strength is 42, first point. Second is what is given. So Bharati rank is 8th rank ahead of Divya. So Divya's rank is 26th. Divya's rank is 26th in the class of 42. Divya rank is 26th in the class of 42. Nothing but in the class Divya rank is 26. When the Divya rank is 26th, ahead means nothing but what? 8 ranks first. Only who 8 ranks first? Bharati. Means that 26 minus, if 8 is subtracted, 18th. Bharati rank will be 18th. Bharati rank will be 18th. So Bharati rank whenever is 18th from the top. From the top. What is asked from the last asked? That is why total 42 strength, 42 minus 18 is equal to 24. Whenever we subtract two values, we have to add 1. Compulsory that we have to remember. Therefore, 24 plus 1, 25th is the right answer. Now come to the question number 8. Rajan is 6th from the left and Vinay is 10th from the right. End of the row of boys. If there are 8 boys are between Rajan and Vinay, how many boys are there in the row? Okay, beautiful question. So first of all, you have to take the Rajan. So Rajan is 6th from the left. Okay, 6th from the left, this side. And Vinay is 10th from the right. This is Vinay. Vinay is 10th from the right. From the right. So the row though. If there are 8 boys between Rajan and Vinay. Okay, 8 boys. Between Rajan and Vinay, 8 boys are there. Then how many boys are there in the row? Simple here, Rajan, this is the Vijay. Rank is 10th from the right. Rajan is 6th from the left. 8 boys are there. There is no connection. So because we are there is not interchanging, but directly is asked the total. Total strength such asked is equal to 6 plus 8 plus 10 we have to do. Directly answer is 24. Please don't subtract from 1 because once we calculated one rank 2 times, when we added one rank 2 times, then only we have to subtract. But here is not necessary to subtract 1 because when we added we have to subtract 1. I already told you. But here one rank is not added because these are the 8 persons separate. This is the 6th rank, means 6 persons are there at this side, including Rajan 6th person. This is the Vinay 10th person, 9 persons will be there. This is the 10 plus 8 plus 6. So answer is, how many boys are there? Nothing but 24 students are there in the class. Now come to the question number 9th. Okay. So in a row of 40 children, total 40 are there. So total is equal to 40. First of all, you have to remind it. In a 40 children, P is 13th from the left. So P is 13th from the left, from left to 13th. Okay. So 13th and Q is 9th from the right. This is Q. 9th from the right. Okay. Q is 9th from the right end. So how? Okay. Q 9th from the right end. Okay. How many children are there between P and R? R is 4th to the left of Q. Okay. Here R is there. R is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th to the left of Q. Okay. So how many children are there between P and R asked? How many children are there between P and R asked? So first of all, we have to come conclusion in that word. Total strength is how much? 40. Okay, this is 40. So 40 minus this side is 13 left, already 13 left with including P 13 left. This is the 9. 9 including R. 9 plus, so the 13 is over. 13 plus, this is the 9 persons plus 1, 2, 3, 4 are including 4 person. Nothing but we have to be 40 minus, so 13 plus 9 plus 4. Nothing but 13, 26. So 26 is equal to, this is 4, okay, now this is 1. Nothing but, how many students are there between P and R is nothing but 14 students will be there. Okay, na? 14 students will be there. So here simple logic is P is 13th from the left, Q is 9th from the last. First point. Second is between P and Q, R is there, that R is 4th to the left of Q. If there is the Q, 4th left means 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 persons. So when there is the 4 persons to 4th person, here is the 4 persons are there, it is confirmed. R in between Q, nothing but 3 persons will be there, R is the 4th person. R, when is the 4th person? So then how many students are between this and this asked? P and R asked in this question. Total is the 40, means nothing but this is 13, this side is left 13, this is the 9 rank, again including R 4, 9 plus 4 13, 13, 13, 26, 40 minus 26 if you subtract it, 14 persons are there. The 14 are where are they? Between P and R there. That is our answer. Now come to the question number 10th. Come to the question number 10. In a class of 35 students, Kunal is placed 7th from the bottom. Okay. Total strength is how much? Is equal to 35. Right. First point is. So Kunal is placed 7th from the bottom. Okay. 7th from the bottom. Kunal. This is 7th. This is what? Who is Kunal? Okay. 7th from the bottom. Whereas Sonali is placed 9th from the top. Okay, Sonali. This is 9th from top. This is bottom. Who is this Sonali? This is Kunal. Okay. Alright. So Sonali is 9th from the top. Okay. So Pulkit is placed exactly between the two. Pulkit. So nothing but exactly between two. Okay. From this to from this. Exactly is there. Who is this Pulkit? Okay, no, Pulkit is exactly between the Sonali and Kunal. Okay. So what is Kunal's position from the Pulkit? So what is Kunal position from the Pulkit asked? So first of all, what we have to understand, total strength are how much? 35. So when the 35 is there, 35 means nothing but exactly between is nothing but 30 from the 35 we have to subtract the 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. From 35 I have to subtract 16. So 15 minus 6 9. Okay now. So 15 minus 6 is 9. Then 19. When the 19 persons are there, so means nothing but middle person, 1 person if we left it, we separate, we can the 9 persons will be there. Here 9 persons, this is the 1 person. So 9 plus 18. 18 plus 1 how much? 19. Nothing but here Pulkit is the 10th person to the 10th from the Sonali. So 10th from the Sonali. Now ask that here, what is the question asked in this? What is the Kunal's position from the Pulkit? So Kunal position from the Pulkit is nothing but this Kunal asked. This is the, so how many persons are here? 9 persons are there between. 9 persons is nothing but, so Kunal also we have to take. So here is the Pulkit is there. So from the Pulkit, between Pulkit and Kunal, how many persons are here? 9 persons are there. 9 persons. So 9 persons when is there? Ask the Kunal position. So Kunal is equal to 9 plus 1 is equal to 10th position. So question is asked here, what is the Kunal position from the Pulkit? Pulkit is nothing but this one Pulkit. So Pulkit is exactly, this is 9th rank, this is one. First of all, you have to understand that how many strength is there here? 35. From 35, Sonali is the 9th, so Kunal is the 7th. So 9 plus 7, 16, if you subtract it, how many persons are there between Sonali and Kunal will be, we get it. So that is why, how many persons are there? 19 persons are there. 19 from the firm, when we have subtracted, this will be 9, this will be 9, because this is the Pulkit rank. This is the Pulkit. 9 plus 9 plus 18 plus 1, so 19. So what is not, what is the question? What is the Kunal position from the Pulkit asked? These 9 persons are there. Kunal position also we have to add it. 9 plus 1, 10th is the right answer. 10th is the right answer. Okay. Okay. Now here, once again I think clear. I think 35 is the main point here. From that only we will get the answer. Okay. So now this is the clear. Okay. Right. Thank you.